Just to the Professor, Dr. Dolphy Gilpin. I continue with my elements of the periodic table, place up in a random fashion here on a deck of card. I've synthesized this and placed them here for transport purposes and other purposes. We have LR here, 103,262, and in the modern notation is unnil trium. Unnil trium. And electronic configuration of Rn, which is radon, 5F14, 6D1, 7S2. So here we have the electronics configuration for this one. And so my student can go on with these and put in the electronic configuration of all those that have been left out. And here's another one with F. Don't be discouraged, or sometimes when you get your F in a class, just put fate. This is flavorium, that you're not a failure. Flavorium 114,289, FL. This is like Florida for the symbol. This is flavorium FL 114,289, dominant F recessive L. And like I said, you could, my student could go on to further write the electronic configuration of all these elements. We are just edifying the, noting the atomic number and atomic mass, and putting a more precise number for the atomic mass and atomic weights. And isotopes were available. TS, Tennessee's, or Tennessine, 117,294. Or UNG, unnil quadrium, 104. We've had 104 here before. This is just the modern notation here. Unnil quadrium of elements above the 100. SG, I think this is the Borgium, 106,271. Argonescent. This is one of the most recent discovered elements, completing the period 7 there. A noble element, 118,294, argonescent. TC, probably technetium, 4398. Which is one of the a very rapidly radioactive element, unstable, with isotopes that just disintegrate into other isotopic elements. Very unstable. Technetium, and it's not found naturally, but is artificially synthesized in the lab. palladium 46 106.4. 46 106.4 to be differentiated from platinum. And this is Ag. Silver 47 107.8688. And so you'll probably see this as 47.108 or 8688 is closer to 1. At ordinary level, they might just roll it off to 108. But a more precise reading would be 107.868, 47. Silver. We have calcium here at 20, 40.078. Calcium. Hafnium at 72, 178.86. Zirconium 40, 91.224. TB 65, 158.92. ND 60, 144.29. HO 67, 164.9. GD gadolinium 64, 157.25. DY 66, 162.5. Dysprosium, I believe. DY 166, 66, 162.5. RB 37, 85.467. PT platinum 78, 195. YB ytterbium 71, 73.19. YB ytterbium. On the other Y alone, that would be yttrium 70. This is ytterbium 70, 173.19. And for cerium here, Se. Those for Se, we have the electronic configuration. We have AR 3D 10, 4s2, 4p4. Se 34, 78.96. Those who want to continue, you could go ahead and drop in after you make up the cars, drop in the electronic configuration. I have some of these I've put in the electronic configuration, like this one here. SDAR 3D10 or the noble gas configuration. 4s2, 4p4. AS 33, 74.96. One is acetine, I believe the AT, and probably AS is the arsenic. Because AR would be definitely argon. Arsenic, very poisonous, I believe, yeah. Very toxic element here, arsenic. 33, 74.96. 75, 186.2 again. 75 186.2, probably rhenium. Iridium 77 192.29. Iridium. And W, tungsten 74 183.84. And krypton, another noble gas configuration here, 36 83.30 krypton. And here we have yttrium 39 88.906. And here we have carbon, probably one of the most abundant elements in the universe, at least on Earth, in terms of when you're looking for life, we look for carbon and using C in carbon dating. 612.001 carbon. Blanks representing the unknown. TA 180. $105, unnil pentium. So that's a notation for the element 105, unnil pentium. And nitrogen 7, 14.006. Be, beryllium 4, 9.0012. Li, lithium 6.94. Tree. He, helium. Atomic number 2. Atomic mass 4.002, 1s2. Electronic configuration, helium. 4.002, 1s2. And here we have fluorine, one of the most reactive element gas, 9, reacting with almost all the elements except for a couple of the other noble configuration there. Fluorine, 9, 18.998. And you could, those people who have been receiving F in any of their subject, you might want to study chemistry and put a positive spin towards it. F representing fate. Not failure, but fate. He, 25. 2s2, 2p5. Elophate, fluorine. And here we have oxygen again, 15.999, most of the time represented of 16, atomic number 8, atomic mass of 15.999 or 16. And this needs no introduction. Everyone knows that this is the life-breathing gas, oxygen, which occur in nature in molecules, but can be further differentiated into atoms. And it combines with hydrogen to give us that most intrinsic compound, water. So we have oxygen and water as life-giving sources which our life depend upon. And when we're searching for life, we usually look for water, hydrogen in combination with oxygen, or oxygen alone. Eight, 15.999. Neon, another noble configuration here, 10, 20.119. What do I have here now? Osmium, 76, 190.28. We have carbon here again, 612.03. Hydrogen is 1.001. Lu 71, 174.167. And gold, AU 196.57, 79. All right, let's take a break here, and we'll also take a rest and try to return back with some more chemistry of the elements, atomic weight, atomic number, atomic mass, isotopes, allotropes.